My purpose is to be an ambassador and a way shower for the light that is inherently flooding the planet right now. And in that purpose, my heart's desire is being made manifest as a facilitator and a steward of an awakening of consciousness on the planet that directly accesses our own inherent divinity. So a state where we realize that we are truly a living manifestation of God, that we're just like the finger of God's body. And for me, I find the greatest joy in doing that with others, in groups, in contexts where we hold as a vessel. We create a chalice for the energy to come through as a divine current. And in that current, as we each make ourselves available for it, there's a state of grace that happens, and there's a state where divine will meets divine creativity.